Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And well, if you are trying to access Facebook today, for the past few hours, Facebook is down. And for most of the people around the world, if you try Facebook, either you're going to get, like I'm doing here, something went wrong. We're working on it and we'll get it fixed as soon as possible. So it's not your computer. Apparently it's a DNS problem, so some kind of configuration or some kind of server issue with Facebook. And it's not just Facebook, it actually is Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger. So are those four different social media are out and they're down. So if you can't access Facebook or Messenger, that's what's happening right now. I noticed it was down about here maybe 2 hours ago. So it seems to be a really big problem because usually, when it's a small little thing, it gets back online quite fast. So once again, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger are down. So if you can't access them, it's not your computer, it's not your browser, nothing's wrong on your side. It's really the social media sites that are actually having a DNS problem. So we'll probably learn a little more later what exactly happened and why this is happening right now. But of course, being used quite a lot, these places, of course, are making the news right now quite everywhere. So probably a lot of people in panic. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.